Alright, YouTube. Here's my 2019 Honda Rebel 500. I'm putting an exhaust on it by DBK. And here's what the stock one sounds like. Anyways, gonna go ahead and install the new one. So I'll be back with that. Alright, YouTube, done with the install. Here you can see it's from the head back. It did rain, unfortunately. As you can see, the O2 sensor. Go ahead, start it. It is super loud. I'll have to take a ride later when it's not raining. Look how nice it looks. Very good. Alright. It's a little later than I had hoped, but I can get a quick video for you guys of what it sounds like. Oh yeah, that sounds fucking good. It sounds fucking good. Actually, I want to go straight. Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds amazing. This exhaust only costs like $365 for the full thing, from the heads all the way back, which I don't think is bad at all. And that's shipped. That's shipped to me all the way from Indonesia. Fucking idiot. Just sounds so fucking amazing. Ooh, that downshift though. Let's see if anyone cuts me off. Nah, everyone's doing good. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Yo, shout out DBK Performance. It took, I think, like 7-10 days for them to actually make the exhaust, and then another 7 days to arrive, which really is not, it's not bad at all. 2 weeks, that's it for a full exhaust. I have yet to see anybody make a full exhaust inside. You know, everyone has slip-ons and that's it. I'm in 4th gear right now. Man, it really wakes this 500 up. Don't mind the missing mirror and the fucked up mirror. I hit a deer, broke my pinky. That's why I'm wearing that splint. Cruising speed right here, 49, and it's not overly loud. But it's loud when you get on it. Oh man, it just sounds so nice. It's like a whole new Rebel, you know. Exhaust, man, first thing to do on any bike, honestly. You know, loud pipes save lives, and they do. They can't see you, they can hear you. I'm gonna hit my pinky a little hard. To aim, the headlight bracket broke when I hit a deer, so I'm gonna order that from Honda here in a bit, and then I'll have it fixed by this weekend so I can go riding Saturday, and then we're having a barbecue with the boys. Man, it just sounds fucking killer. I'm also turning this into like a bobber type bike, so I'm gonna remove the rear fender. I already got my nifty fender eliminator, so trust people at night to not just slam into me, so I'm always looking back. One thing that sucks about the Rebel is there's no gear indicator or tachometer. It blows, so you can't really see what you're all shifting at, what gear you're in. Sometimes I forget I'm in a certain gear and I'll downshift too far. Now let's just say that is not fun. That is not fun at all. Everybody's gonna pay. So I'm gonna back it up. Yeah, this exhaust sounds nice. It's very loud. There's no cats, it's just straight all the way. I'm gonna keep the old exhaust just in case, but I highly doubt I'm ever gonna put it on. This is loud with no cats, but a 600 Gixxer or whatever is louder with cats and just a slip-on. Just shows the difference. I know that car. It's my mom's. I'm gonna get the there's that. See ya.